study shows how many adults are rationing insulin, which is a dangerous practice.
And the family of George Floyd might be suing Kanye West. Zach Lashway live in the newsroom with what's making headlines this morning. Zach.
Lisa, this morning Kanye West is making headlines once again, this time for his remarks made on a recent episode of Drink Champs podcast. West, who has changed his legal name to Ye, linked George Floyd's death to fentanyl. On the podcast, the rapper said he watched Candace Owens' documentary called The Greatest Lie Ever Sold, George Floyd and the Rise of BLM. Ye said, quote, "On the day when he died, he said a prayer for, 8 minutes. He said a prayer for 8 minutes. They hit him with fentanyl. If you look, the guy's knee wasn't even on his neck like that." End of quote. The Hennepin County Chief Medical Examiner's Office ruled Floyd's death was a homicide caused by cardiopulmonary arrest in connection to restraint and neck compression while being knelt on by a police officer for more than 8 minutes. Floyd's autopsy revealed small amounts of fentanyl in his system, but not enough to be considered fatal. Civil rights attorney Lee Merritt, who represents the Floyd family, tweeted the family is considering legal action against West for emotional distress. A new study finds many U.S. adults with diabetes are rationing insulin to save money. The survey found nearly 1 in 5 adults in the U.S. with diabetes either skipped, delayed, or used less insulin than they needed in order to save on costs. Young adults and those who are uninsured were more likely to ration their medication. Those with public health coverage, such as Medicaid or Medicare, had the lowest rates of rationing. In August, President Biden signed the Inflation Reduction Act into law, which will cap the monthly cost of insulin at $35 for seniors on Medicare. A 23-year-old trader who hails from Forbes and now lives in Sydney completed a 47-day journey on foot from Perth. His goal to go across the entire continent. Ned Brockman, you see there, set out on September 1st with the aim of crossing Australia and raising $1 million for homelessness. The man with a flowing blonde mullet hit his $1 million target on Friday and conquered his running challenge, which saw him a journey of 4,000 kilometers, not the 4K I like. If you're wondering, 4,000 kilometers is a little less than 2,500 miles, 2,485 to be exact.
Wow. Impressive feat
yes.
for a wonderful cause.
Yeah.
Zach Lashway, thank you for those headlines this morning.